We learned various meal times and types throughout the week. Let's take a look and revisit them. In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, let's see which words we had. We had Səhər yeməyi for breakfast. We had DƏVƏT etmək to invite, ask over. We had GÜNORTA yeməyi for lunch. We had Axşam yeməyi for dinner or supper in the UK. We had Qəlyanaltı for snack and appetizers. We had QAYÐANAQ for omelette and scrambled eggs. And we had Nahar, a different way of calling lunch and dinner in the UK. Okay? We can't go by without mentioning the dad joke uses. Ready? Dinner? Relax. That was strategic Qəlyanaltı. If emails had calories, I'd speak Nahar. Skip. My alarm thinks Səhər yeməyi is optional. My stomach disagrees. If breakfast is a mood, my QAYÐANAQ is the plot twist. I call it meal prep when leftovers accidentally become Axşam yeməyi. Quiz time? Which word means to invite? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about typing the exact letters because your keyboard may not have them. Just type in the closest one. However, make sure to come back tomorrow as we're going to start the next week, because every week, every day, we'll be learning new words. And the more you learn, the better you get. Why? Because consistency is the fluency. Until then, check Master Azerbaijani app available in App Store and Google Store and masterazerbaijani.com for more. I'll see you tomorrow.